Here is how to organize and import your project. Open your gallery. Select your footages. To do that, you need to long press on one footage, then select.
Click on Add to Album, though it varies on different phones. Just search for yours.
Create an album and give it a name for easy access.
Move the footages to the album or save. It depends on how it shows the option on your device.
Open CapCut.
Select New Project.
Click on Album, then search for the album you saved earlier.
Open it. Click on each footage and select Add. It's below.
You'd definitely see it. Oops. Sorry, it's not showing on my screen. Oh, there it is. Voila! And that's it. See you in the next class.